What's up, dudes and dudettes? It's Connor with Hound Motorsports. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick and easy one. We're gonna go ahead and replace the door handle on my X5 here with a new door handle, get rid of that sticky problem. So this is the sticky fix. Let's stop around and get right on into it. So the first step is dropping your tools, obviously. You want to be able to pry this off. It's pretty gross. This is actually really gross. It should just pop off just like that. Quick and simple. That is out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and take your T20 and break the top one loose. Put that somewhere where it's easy to find, not on the ground. The other one is gonna be at the bottom right here. And you do have one more that looks to be a T15. Shoot, maybe even a T10. I'll tell you all in a few seconds. Small one is in fact a T8. So you will need a T20 and a T8. Pulling that out and place them somewhere where they're easy to find. I chose to place mine on the floorboard right here. Of course, there's still one in there that will come out when I pull it out. Just like that. There it is. Now, with this out, it's just a reverse of operation for installation. You can see how gross that was. That's absolutely filthy. Yeah, easy enough. This is the new one. It's from Amazon, also known as a Museon. It is not that soft plastic. It is just straight plastic that's soft. I don't know, but it's not that soft like textured type. Put the trash right there for now. I'm gonna put it in the right way like that. You wanna make sure your holes line up. Otherwise you will screw into the leather. Take your T20, put it back on. I'm doing the top one first. These don't need to be super tight, they just need to be hand tight. Well, a little bit past hand tight. Put that back down on the ground. And then take your exterior trim handle or whatever it's called. I'm gonna wash this off real quick. I'll be right back. Now with it cleaned off, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it right back in there. Just like that. And boom, a little function check. You got a functioning door handle. All right guys, and that's easy. It literally took me 5 minutes. I think I actually spent more time on Amazon ordering the part than installing it, which is always great. Now, when Miss Hound Dog gets in the car, I no longer have to worry about her complaining in the nicest way about how sticky that door handle is. If this video helped you at all, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.